and follow us all over social media at MI Soccer Network. And we're underway here in Livonia. Speed. Top of the box. Keeper comes out. Keeper knocks it away. But another shot taken. Bobbling up. And finally, Nathan Oates. Peterman takes it. And a header skipping past. Trying to get it into the box. And knocked away by the defenders. We'll put it into the box. Keeper comes out. Taking the shot. That one just to the right. We'll come back with the Wolves taking a shot from downtown. And another save for Nathan Oates. Wolves pass deflected, but they keep it. Weaving through. Finding a pass into the box, being tugged at. Taking a shot, and goal number 1 for the Michigan Wolves. To that far corner again. On the back line, racing through, taking the shot, and one touch will be the second goal now for the Wolves. Will ultimately flip to Wolves' way. Still fighting for it and tumbling in midfield will draw the whistle. Midwest gets in position for the throw. Launching it. Got the header. Got 2. Looking for a shot. Coming too far. Need to flip it back. Taking a left-footed shot. Two-handed save. Still loose. Another shot to the right. With the left foot. Taking it right to the keeper. And Grodzicki's there for the save. And that will be the final play of our first half. The Michigan Wolves at home are up 2-0 over Midwest United for U17. My name is Giovanni Mosheri. I'll be your play-by-play for today. Corey Bird, our producer, to help make all of this happen here in Livonia. Racing for it are the Wolves. With speed into the box. Bringing it forward, and the second touch will be blocked and saved by Nathan Oates. Wolves still fighting to get a shot off. They'll bring it to the top of the arc. They fire, and that one goes just to the left, hitting the back wall. To our close side, will be knocked out by one of the Wolves. They try to pick each other up. Racing to the back line, crossing it. Bopping up, and a shot being saved and then hit the left post before being knocked away. It'll come all the way to the box. Wrestled down. Whistle will be blown for it. A yellow card given. Lopez takes a shot, bending to the right. They'll fit it up. Alvarado chasing it, looking for a cross. Defense will slide in. They'll feed it. And Bielecki will bring it in. Defenders outnumbering, but taking the crossing shot, and goal 3 heads in for the Michigan Wolves. They'll reset, moving to his left. Taking the shot. Deflected, staying in bounds. Taking the shot low is saved, but loose and knocked away. Alcazar Alvarado looking for a shot. That one going just to the left on the left post. With one last kick, that will mark the end of this match. A commanding win for the Michigan Wolves. They're now 2 of 2 in our triple header. Here at the Trinity Sports Dome in Livonia, the Michigan Wolves U17 takes this match 3-0